Start the week with our quick business tips and advice. Today we are looking at niches you could make money from. Baking products. This is one of the oldest forms of cooking and reaches to $433 billion in market size. People have been in love with these products for centuries, and yet it is still evolving. The ways to earn money online in this market niche is to sell products and accessories related to baking to the audience you would like to target. When you decide to open up your online store in this niche, note this down, that your focus is not going to be selling pastries, pies, cookies, buns, donuts or bread. Rather, you may be selling spatula sets, silicone trays, cupcake holders, cake serving trays, over mitts and many more items in this niche. More tips and advice every Monday. Have a good business week.